right.
In the
Happy hump day, people.
Just another pretty face.
Someone brought it up that
Maybe the fate of a
it was time for some Althea.
sleeping and the chance to dream.
And I couldn't agree more.
Honest to the point of recklessness. Self-centered.